आज की वीडियो में बताने वाला हूं कि हाउ एआई कैन हेल्प यू, हाउ एआई इज मेकिंग यू स्लीप। ठीक है, तो आज की वीडियो में हम इसी की बात पे चर्चा करेंगे इंग्लिश के अंदर। तो ये मैं सोचना कि मेरा चैनल इंग्लिश का है तो मैं इंग्लिश की रिलेटेड वीडियो डालूंगा। मैं डालता हूं ये वीडियो भी इंग्लिश के रिलेटेड है कि मैं इंग्लिश में कैसे बोल रहा हूं, आपको वो भी समझना है और एआई कैसे आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है और मिस यूज भी है। सो आपको ये भी सोचना है। तो ये वीडियो पूरा है इस चीज के ऊपर और मैंने इसके अंदर कोई सेम एक सर्टेन एआई नहीं ले रखा, मैंने पूरी एआई के ऊपर बात कर रखी है। ठीक है, नॉट ओनली गिबली एआई, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट होल एआई लाइक चैटजीपीटी और यू कैन से आइटोग्राम एआई और देयर आर सो मेनी एआईज, सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस। ओके, सो प्लीज वॉच द फुल वीडियो। Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world, presenting both remarkable opportunities and significant challenges. While the specifics of emerging projects like Ghibli may remain veiled, the broader AI landscape is witnessing breakthroughs that could revolutionize fields from scientific discovery and industrial efficiency to personalized experience and creative experience, including the intriguing potential of Ghibli AI to empower artists in crafting animation with the beloved studio. Okay, so Ghibli aesthetic, however, this powerful technology also brings forth critical considerations regarding algorithms bias, the opacity of the AI decision making, the spread of many misinformation and environmental impact, necessitating a balanced and ethical approach to its development to ensure a future where AI serves humanity's best interest and fosters innovation across diverse domains, including the captivating interaction of artificial intelligences and artists' vision. You can say that, guys, that if I talk about some disadvantages of this kind of AIs and this kind of chat GPTs and some, you can say, Ghibli AI. So what it can be? Artificial intelligence presents a dual edge sword, offering significant advantages such as कुछ एडवांटेजेस भी है इसके, इंक्रीज एफिशिएंसी, इम्प्रूव्ड एक्यूरेसी, राउंड द क्लॉक अवेलेबिलिटी, पावरफुल डेटा एनालिसिस कैपेबिलिटीज, एडवांसमेंट्स इन हेल्थ केयर, पर्सनलाइज्ड एक्सपीरियंस, सॉल्यूशंस टू कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स solutions of complex problems, and enhance and increase the safety through the automation. However, these benefits are counterbalanced by potential disadvantage, including इसमें कुछ disadvantage भी है, जैसे Ghibli है का disadvantage भी है guys, ठीक है, including a job displacement algorithm based bias leading to discrimination, lack of transparency in decision making, ethical concerns, and the risk of misuse privacy and data security, risks over reliance and the scaling, high development cost of the, you can say, potential for misinformation, environmental impact due to energy consumption, and difficulties in handling the novel situations. Yes, outside of their training, novel situation outside of their trainings. There are so many disadvantages of Ghibli AI. You are giving your photos, you are giving the access of your photo to the AI, and the AI can use your photo somewhere or other, and it can be used in misinformation. The advancement of artificial intelligence also presents a set of notable disadvantages, including the potential for widespread job displacement as the automation takes over tasks previously performed by humans, and the serious issue of algorithm bias, where AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing societic inequalities due to flawed or secure training data, and the concerning lack of transparency, often referred as the black box problem, which makes it difficult to understand how and why certain AI decisions are made. Okay, we have to think about this. Furthermore, the ethical implications of AI are significant, encompassing the potential for misuse in areas like, which kind of the areas can be education area or any other areas or any job profession, generating deepfakes or developing autonomous weapons alongside substantial risks to privacy and data security, given the vast amounts of personal information often required for AI systems to function effectively. AI needs your data Over reliance on AI could also lead to a de-skilling of the human workforce, while the high cost of associated with the developing and the implementing advanced AI technologies can create barriers to entry. The capacity of AI to generate increasingly realistic content also raises serious concerns about the spread of misinformation. Your photos can be misused somewhere others. Okay, so the energy demands of the training large AI models contribute to environment impact. Finally, AI systems can struggle to adapt to novel situations outside their training parameters, highlighting their limitations is truly unpredictable environments. So we should not give our photos, our any kind of things to the AI. AI can misuse. Okay, if we are making any kind of image of our own image, and if we are uploading that image on the any AI, and we are converting that image into Ghibli image, we can have fun with that image, but we can also think about one thing, that it can be used somewhere other also. It can be misused, it can be used, basically it can be also used, but you should also think about this. Okay, so we should also think about that. We should, why we are providing that kind of things to the AI? Purpose of having fun. Okay, so this video is totally about AI. I talked about AI, how AI is helping you, how AI is not helping you, and how AI is making you, or you can say, slave. So this video is all about how can you think about AI, how can AI help you, how can AI make you slave. Okay, so this video is all about this AI. I am not making this video only for Ghibli AI, but I am making this video for only whole AI. I am talking about whole AI, not Ghibli AI. But in my thumbnail I used Ghibli AI. Okay, so cause of you guys, if you watch this kind of things, you will get information, you will get a lot of information from your side. So thank you for watching this video. Nice to talk to you. We will meet you, I will meet you in the next video with a new topic. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.